The blood spatter simulator has access to multiple weapons with different spatter profiles. If you use the D-pad to thumb around and select each different weapon, you can then select it by pressing down on the D-pad. The baseball bat can only target the head. A light tap will produce a sound, a medium tap will produce a small amount of spatter, and a heavy swing will produce a large amount of blood spatter. To deselect the bat and put it away, just select the button from the menu again. The caliber selection for firearms include .22, 9mm, .357 Magnum, and a .45 caliber pistol. We are going to select the .22 caliber pistol by pressing down on the D-pad. Then, using the trigger and aiming anywhere at the body, you'll see the trajectories as the shot shoots through the dummy. You'll notice that only 2 blood spatters can be active at one time, and shooting an additional time will remove the oldest gunshot currently recorded.